Housing in Wales is on an important journey with policies like the Welsh Housing Quality Standard and the Optimised Retrofit Programme or the ORP, shaping the future of your homes.
With these big issues come big questions. How are we going to pay for this? How do we make it work for tenants? How do we make it that everybody benefits from this programme?
And that is why our 5th Net Zero Week is back, bringing together tenants, housing staff, board members, policymakers in one easy-to-access online event.
The sessions cover retrofit, affordability, tenant voice and innovation. And most importantly to me, I think, is the how, the why, when, how are we going to make this happen?
We've made it simple. 7 online sessions, 5 days. You could come for the whole week or choose one as per your choice.
With a group pass, you don't need to buy separate tickets. It means that any staff in different departments, it means tenants, it means board members can just dip in and go to the sessions that matter to them under one group ticket. So check that out.
A big thanks to our sponsor as well, Cero, who've made this week possible. Cero, as you know, are Welsh-based experts in helping create greener, safer and healthier homes.
So don't wait, register now, get involved, get others with you. Let's go on a journey together for a better Wales.